Watch this video and learn how to draw a cute little puppy. Later in the show, there's a song break with Bunny Fluffington. And stay to the end to watch Artie take a potty break. Is everybody ready? It's time for Artie's show.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Artie,
Oh, hello.
are you looking forward to today?
Yes, Artie is very excited for today.
Should we draw a little puppy?
Okay.
Let's do it.
Yay. Oh, yeah.
Hello, Artie and friends.
Good day, everyone!
Get your marker pens and your paper and your microphone. Oh!
Oh, Barry. Do you think we should make some art?
Yeah,
Are you ready?
I am ready, Freddy.
All right, we don't need a rhyme.
Okay.
Let's start by drawing our puppy's left eye. Draw a circle in the middle of the page. You can do it in sections, just a little bit at a time, because sometimes it's difficult to draw a whole circle in one go. When we're done with the drawing, Artie, perhaps we can go round to the neighbour's house and play with their new puppy.
Oh, yes, please. Wow. Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay, we'll see if they're in later on.
He's excited.
Now draw a small circle inside the large one and shade it in black. Let's start on the right eye now.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. That was so much fun!
Thank you, Bunny, that was very helpful. Now, Artie, let's draw our puppy's left ear. We're going to draw an oval shape, but at a slight angle. That's it, Artie. Great job.
Watching Artie make art is so exciting.
I love it!
Now we're going to draw the puppy's right ear, another oval shape at a slight angle on the right side. Okay, this drawing's taking shape.
Drawing is my second favorite thing after munching carrots.
Now we're going to draw an outline around the left side of the left ear. Just copy the original shape just slightly inside. Now let's do the same on the right side. These ears look a bit like your ears, Artie.
Yeah.
I like your ears. You have nice shaped ears. Now let's draw a curved line from the top of the left ear all the way across to the top of the right ear. That's going to be the top of the head for our puppy.
Hi, Artie. Oh, wow. That drawing, it's music to my eyes. Makes me want to sing. Bye.
Bye.
Thanks for that, Barry. It's always a treat when you come and sing for us. Okay, Artie, let's draw the bottom part of our puppy's face. A curved line coming from the underside of the left ear, and then another one on the right side, and join them together in the middle where the chin would be. How about a nose now? This drawing looks like so much fun, Artie.
Yeah, Artie's really having fun. Thank you.
You're welcome. Our puppy has a nice oval-shaped nose. Now let's shade it all in black. But we're going to leave a little bit on the right side that we don't shade in, and that'll make the nose look shiny. There you go. It's looking really good, Artie.
Artie thinks we should have a song break.
A song break?
Yeah.
Well, that's a really good idea, Artie. Let's do it.
Okay, song break.
My little dog is my constant constant companion. She skips and jumps when I come home. My little dog is an angel sent from heaven. She comes running down the mountain next to me. My little dog is my constant companion. She skips and jumps when I come home. My little dog is an angel sent from heaven. She comes running down the mountain. She comes swimming in the ocean next to me. My little dog is my constant companion. She skips and jumps when I come home. My little dog is an angel sent from heaven. She comes running down the mountain. She comes swimming in the ocean. She likes playing in the snow next to me. My little dog is my constant companion. She skips and jumps when I come home. My little dog is an angel sent from heaven. She comes running down the mountain. She comes swimming in the ocean. She likes playing in the snow, and she likes hiking through the woods next to me. My little dog is my constant companion. She skips and jumps when I come home. My little dog is an angel sent from heaven. She comes running down the mountain. She comes swimming in the ocean. She likes playing in the snow, and she likes hiking through the woods. So she's sleeping on her pillow next to me. Yeah, she's sleeping on her pillow next to me.
Oh, song break.
That was a really good one.
Yeah.
Did you enjoy it?
Oh, it was so much fun. Artie loves a good song break.
Now, there's something we need to finish, Artie.
Yeah.
The drawing.
Oh, yeah. Oh, Artie forgot. Okay.
Now let's give our puppy a cute little smiling mouth. Draw a smiley-shaped curve and then make it a little bit thicker. Coming up, don't miss Artie's potty break. Ew. Now let's give our puppy a body. Draw a curved line coming from the underside of his head on the left side, and then another one on the right side. You know, Artie, I was just thinking, I haven't seen Painty in a long time.
That's right. I haven't seen Painty either. Not for a few... Oh, no. Here he comes.
Oh, I love it!
Uh-oh.
Wow! Run!
Oh, Painty, you've made a mess again. Ugh, there's green paint everywhere. I'll have to clean that up later. Oh, that's right, Artie. Let's give our puppy some legs. 2 straight lines and a little curve. Without legs, he won't be able to run.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Now let's do the right leg. Exactly the same as the left. 2 straight lines and a curve connecting the 2 lines at the bottom. And finally, a little line in between the legs. That's it.
Hello, Artie!
Hi, Bunny.
I'm ready for some fun.
Oh, good. Me too.
Oh, I love that drawing.
Oh, thank you.
It looks so lifelike. You're very talented. Let's hop to it.
Okay.
Now let's draw the back leg. Half of an oval and then a little hook shape underneath. Same on the left side, Artie. Half an oval, and then a little hook shape. It's starting to look really good, Artie.
Artie needs something.
Oh, what do you need, Artie?
Artie needs potty break.
Well, that's okay if you need to go.
Yeah, potty break.
Go on then.
Artie, go potty. Yeah, okay. No, that way.
Good boy, are you all done?
Okay, Artie good now.
Oh, good.
Back to drawing.
Let's give our puppy a tail. Draw a curved line up, and then a larger curved line underneath, coming to a point.
This is looking good.
Yes, it is.
Draw a little zigzag line just before the end of the tail. And a little curved line on the bottom of his feet. Don't forget, we're going to go and see the neighbour's new puppy soon.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Oh.
Let's draw some lines on the front feet. One on the left and one on the right. That's it.
That is so cute.
Isn't it, Bunny? It's really cute. Now let's draw a circle on our puppy's chest. I wonder why dogs sometimes have a sort of circle shape on their chest. Yeah, I don't know either. Let's draw a nice patch on the left side of his face. That'll help later when we're colouring in.
I finished.
You're finished? Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah,
Are you happy with it?
I'm really happy with it.
Oh, good.
It looks great.
It sure does.
Say, Artie, I think it needs some color.
It looks really good, Artie.
Oh, yeah, it looks really nice. I love all the colors.
It looks so good.
Yeah.
You like it?
Oh, I'm very proud. Thank you.
My pleasure.
What incredible art!
Great job, buddy.
Great show, everyone. Now let's go to the doggy park. This way.
Oh, yeah. Well, thank you for watching, little Artie.